So the ST is going to the dealership today. Most of you don't follow me on Instagram and haven't seen my frustration with this car, but it's been about maybe a week or two, and I had this car kind of start misfiring and doing all these weird ass noises and backfiring and like really loud, and it was on a stock tune, of course, and nothing much. Which kind of irritated me. I couldn't boost, I couldn't do anything. When I would boost, you can hear like a little wiggling metal noise, you know, that I don't know how to explain it really, but it's kind of like it's something that just moves. And then after that, when you would boost, now it's gone, everything's gone, and now it seems like everything's okay, but my car also feels a little bit sluggish. It was on a Saturday this happened, and I got pissed off and frustrated and whatnot, and I had about like 2 codes throw up. Well, actually no, it took me a while to get that the code to actually come out. So let me explain this better. When all that happened, all that misfiring, everything had happened, no check engine light, no nothing, and trust me when I say this was like on the crackle tune on steroids kind of thing, where my car would just like bang and pop, and my car would shake vigorously back and forth, and you know, like I said, again, it's all stock, nothing's been done to it. You know, the new motor, everything has been stock all the way through. That's what kind of like frustrated me, because I actually did think about doing tunes again and putting everything back on and making it, you know, faster and whatnot, but it probably isn't meant to be for that. But yeah, I took everything off, even my suspension. I went back to stock coils, stock, you know, the snowflakes, and also took off my front lip and my rear side, my side skirt extensions. I mean, all of this you guys kind of didn't even see me do anyways, which is kind of funny, but you guys didn't see me put it on, neither have you guys saw me take it back off. But overall, I did enjoy that, having that car for once, and you know, that it was a nice car. People appreciated the build, you know, for the little that it was, because I'm not going to say it was a full-on build, because that thing was not anywhere close to being finished. But it was a small build, you know. But hey, we're gonna go take it to the dealership, have them see what's wrong with it. The guy's gonna take it home with him, the tech guy, and then we're gonna see if he decides that the car is worthy of needing some repairs, or it's just good to go. Because last time I took it in, it had no codes, only one misfire at cold start. And after that, that was it. Like, no other codes were present. So that's the weird part. And then when they did their scanner, it said, oh, there's no previous codes that have ever turned on in this car. But I swear to you, this car had 2 to 3 other codes before that. But again, I can't explain it, why this is happening or anything, but all I can say is I really do hope that, you know, when I check out this car, let's see how it goes. And Ford doesn't want him at all. They don't want to take the car because the tech that was supposed to be looking at my car said that he was sick, so they were like, yeah, no one else can see the car. To me, that makes completely no sense and sounds like kind of bullshit, but I was there talking to the guy, and he's like, yeah, like, I can't do anything else. He's like, you can leave the car with us, and we'll just get to it once the tech comes back, or, you know, just take it back home and come back the next day, or whenever the tech is at work. So that's kind of my deal. I don't know what to do at this point. It seems like it's all complete bullshit to me. These guys have just been kind of like pushing left and right for their luck, and honestly, they know I'm trying to do the buyback, and that's what I'm trying to get to you guys at about what's going on with the cars. That I'm doing the buyback already. The process for it is already open. There's documentation of this car failing already open as well. They can't diagnose anything apparently, and they want to have the tech take the car home, data log everything, check it out, see what's going wrong with it, and then going from there. And that's okay with me that they want to take it just for all that. But the issue for me is the fact that, you know, they're not willing to give me a rental car for this. Whatever happened those 2 different days, I cannot replicate with this car. just cannot replicate. And that's kind of what I'm dealing with at the moment, which is driving it as much as I can to replicate everything, and hopefully, just hopefully, I can get it to work. And as soon as it replicates, like let's say right now, it starts popping and vigorously just shaking back and forth, that's when I'm gonna take it back. But at the moment, I can't do that, so, I mean, I don't know. But to end it off on a good note, what car do you guys think I should get? You know, just comment down below what car I should end up getting. Honestly, go crazy with it, because at this point I'm thinking about just going back to a clapped out Civic and having fun with it. Hit me up and let me know what I should do.